a disgrace. Boys, I need you and your dad to clean up that backyard while I'm gone.
Mom, we're kind of busy though.
Well, you don't look busy to me. Get it done.
Hey.
Hey, I'm gonna go to the gym. Can you please go do something about that backyard with the boys? Yeah, no problem. We'll get it done. Thank you. Bet I can get more coins than you.
No.
Hey boy. Mom said you need to clean the backyard. Wait a minute. I think she said with you. Well, she told me to tell you guys to clean up the backyard. Well, the backyard's a mess. All right, guys, I'll help you clean this mess up. Let's clean this mess. Oh, fine. All right, guys, let's clean this mess up. After you.
Bye-bye.
Hey! Hey!
Yeah, bye.
Get the yard done first. Okay. This is gonna take years. This is ridiculous. That's it. Yeah, he's gotta help us.
Yes, open it up. We're going to die at first all day.
Use the hole. Whoa. I don't even know where to start. And look, there's ants everywhere. Does he really think that we're just gonna sit in here and do all the yard work by ourselves? Yeah, what's that all about? I wonder if the front door is unlocked. Let's I hope the front door's unlocked. Yeah, hope so too. You know what? He's gonna get it. This is so not fair. I can use a nap. He's asleep. Time for some payback. I bet they're going to ambush me. I have the perfect weapon to ambush Dad. What is it? I'll show you. Oh yeah. That's in for it now. Uh-oh. Let's go find him. Oh, shh. Guys, put your blasters down. It's Mom on the phone. Hang on. Shh. It's Mom. Hello? Yeah, we're doing just fine. Yeah, we're cleaning the backyard right now. It'll be done when you get back home. No problem, no problem. Alright, see you then. Bye. What'd she say? She said for you guys to clean the yard! Yeah. Huh? Yeah, I want truth. Put your guns down. And how do you know you're telling the truth? Because I'm your dad, and I'm the responsible adult. So we can work together and clean up the weeds? Yeah, we'll clean up the weeds together. Look, come on out. Okay, Dad. Too easy. Uh-oh. You missed that! Pretty funny joke, right? Pretty funny, huh? Oh, no, it wasn't pretty funny at all. Get him! Ah! Who's gonna clean the yard up now? Yeah, Dad! You guys are in so much trouble right now. Oh, we're in trouble? By who? Trouble by your mom. She's standing behind you. Huh? Ah! Coley! You get this! I hope you learned your lesson, Dad. And I'm sorry that you had to get shot, Coley. Guys, I think I'm gonna take a nap right here. Yeah, nap sounds great. Yeah, I vote nap. What in the world happened? They better finish that backyard before this happened. You have got to be kidding me. That's it. Oh, gentlemen! Mom, can we have a break? I dare you. Oh, fine, whatever. Ants! Ants everywhere! That's not good. Hey guys, comment of the week comes from Abigail Amazing. Your news video is amazing. Thanks, Abigail. I bet your videos are amazing too. As you might know that I'm wearing my pajamas, it's because it's nighttime right now and we're done filming like a couple hours ago. Anyways, we still post gaming videos. It's been 3 months since we posted. So watch some random weird bloopers. Bye-bye. Yeah, it sounds great. Yeah, so, what was I saying? Hello? Hello? Yeah, it'll be done.